It's your friendly math tutor, Miss C, here to unlock the magic of solving a system of equations using the substitution method. Here's why we're using substitution in this particular problem. You can see that the variable y is on its own side, which means this entire part of the equation can just be substituted in for the y value. Super fast, super easy. So let's go ahead and do that. So since I'm already set up, I'm going to look at my second equation. And everywhere I see y, right, which is right here, I'm going to put this entire yellow boxed expression in there because that's what y equals. So let's go ahead and do that. I'm going to rewrite 5x minus 3, and I'm going to leave a big space here for what I'm going to substitute, equals negative 15. Let me grab a different color. So everywhere I see y, I'm putting in 4x minus 2, 4x minus 2. And now all I need to do is simplify. So 5x stays the same. This is where sometimes people make mistakes. The negative comes with the 3. So we're multiplying by negative 3. So some people call this the rainbow method. This is also called distribution mathematically. Minus 12x. Negative 3 times negative 2 is positive 6 equals negative 15. I have a couple of like terms on the left-hand side of the equation, and those two terms are the terms that include the x values. So that would be this term and this term. So I'm going to go ahead and combine those. So 5x minus 12x is negative 7x plus 6 equals negative 15. My goal is to get x by itself. So I'm going to start using PEMDAS backwards to solve this. I'm going to subtract 6 from both sides. 6 minus 6 is 0, so that is gone. I'm left with 7x on this side and negative 21 on this side. I'm going to divide by negative 7 on both sides, so x equals positive 3. But we're not quite done because if we're going to solve the system of equations, we also need to know what value y is. So we're coming back up here to our very first equation where y is on its own side. And I'm going to go ahead and plug in the x value of 3 everywhere I see x. So that's going to be right here. So y equals 4. And I'm going to put a parenthesis where the x is because I'm going to drop it in a different color. And then I finish writing my equation minus 2. All right, everywhere I see x, I'm putting in my x value, which was 3. And now all I need to do is simplify. So y equals 4 times 3, which is 12, minus 2. So y equals 10. So that's my y value. We could also write this solution as a coordinate pair, 3, 10. The reason we can write that as a solution that way is because what these numbers actually represent are the point at which both of these lines intersect. So you would see the lines cross each other on a graph at the point 3, 10. That is all for today. Thanks for unlocking the magic of using the substitution method to solve systems of equations with me. Till next time, don't forget to subscribe for more math videos.